Our Sardinian journey began on the island's south coast. Villasimius introduced us to Sardinia with a stay at the Cormoran Hotel, followed by pizza and shopping in the local town before beginning a 4-hour coastal drive north. Spire of Myrtus Beach was our pause along the coastal drive, where we dipped into a hidden cove surrounded by rocky cliffs and turquoise water. These coves were carved by ancient marine erosion, leaving behind secret pockets of beach only accessible by road or sea. From there, we made our way north, tracing dramatic shorelines, hidden coves, and fishing villages until we reached the archipelagos of the northeast. Our stay in Golfo Aranci placed us in a small seaside community with sandy beaches and a view across the bay. The name Golfo Aranci means Bay of Oranges, and while no orchards remain today, the town is now a hub for ferries and tours into the La Maddalena archipelago. In Sardinia's northeast, countless islands and pink-granite outcrops scatter the sea, forming one of the Mediterranean's most stunning marine landscapes. Cala Moresca blends a golden sand cove with emerald waters and a hillside trail that climbs toward Cape Figari. We swam in crystal-clear waters, where patches of seaweed created habitats for schools of small fish, darting in and out of the shallows. The marine life here is so abundant that even during a casual swim, you might brush against fish. One even gave me a playful nip. A permanent pod of bottlenose dolphins lives in these waters, often spotted just offshore. The Cape Figari hike via Cala Moresca is considered a moderate 6.1-mile route, with an elevation gain of about 1,217 feet. From the summit, a panoramic overlook reveals the sweep of the Tyrrhenian Sea, the islands of Tavalara and Figueroa, and the rugged cliffs that define Sardinia's northeastern coast. Along the hike lies the English Cemetery, a small graveyard with 13 tombs, including sailors lost in an 1887 shipwreck and a British seaman who died in 1900. From Palau, we sailed among the La Maddalena archipelago, a UNESCO-protected marine park of turquoise channels and pink granite islands. Cruising through turquoise waters and between pink granite islands, we soaked in one of the Mediterranean's most striking seascapes. The La Maddalena archipelago is UNESCO recognized for its rich marine biodiversity. The area is home to unique wildlife, seagrass meadows, and some of the clearest waters in the Mediterranean. As we cruised among the islands of the La Maddalena archipelago, the sea opened up in every direction, and from the boat we could even see the distant island of Corsica rising on the horizon. The archipelago is highly protected, with several islets and beaches designated as strict nature reserves where visitors are not allowed, preserving fragile habitats of seabirds, rare plants, and marine life. Our evening kayak tour in Golfo Aranci ended with a floating aperitif as we toasted local wine under a glowing Sardinian sunset. The Italian aperitivo is not just a drink, but a ritual of slowing down and savoring the moment. Near Golfo Aranci, floating nets mark one of Sardinia's active fish farms, where sea bass and sea bream are raised. Sardinia's aquaculture farms supply much of Italy's fresh fish. Dolphins, often circle the farm, hoping for an easy catch, a reminder of the natural richness of these waters. Our trip through Sardinia ended in Golfo Aranci, where a full moon rose over the sea and illuminated the archipelago in silver light. The island revealed itself as both wild and timeless, from its southern coves to its northern isles, a landscape shaped by sea, stone, and sky.